Simplify each and state the excluded values. A. X squared plus x minus 6 over x squared plus 8x plus 15. When we are talking about excluded values, it means that we are trying to exclude the values of x, which will give me 0 in the denominator, because any number divided by 0 is undefined. So if we look at x squared plus 8x plus 15 and we equate that to 0, then we will be able to get the excluded values. Factoring this trinomial, we will get x plus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to minus 5. So those are the excluded values. So here we can write that x cannot be minus 3 and x cannot be minus 5. Those are the excluded values. Factoring the numerator and the denominator, we will get here x squared plus x minus 6 is equal to x plus 3 into x minus 2 divided by x plus 3 into x plus 5. We have x plus 3 common up and down. Now we can simplify, and the final result is x minus 2 into x plus 5. Part B, we have 10x minus 6 divided by 36 minus 100 x squared. To find the excluded values, we will equate the denominator to 0. So 36 minus 100x squared is similar to the identity a squared minus b squared. So this is equal to 6 minus 10x into 6 plus 10x. Equating this to 0, this implies that x is equal to 6 over 10, which is 3 over 5, or x is equal to minus 6 over 10, which is minus 3 over 5. Now, coming back to this equation, this is equal to 10x minus 6 over 6 minus 10x into 6 plus 10x. So, if I look now at this term, what I will notice is that this term is the same as the term up, but the terms are flipped. So instead of having 10x, I have 6. So if I will take minus outside, or in other words, I multiply by minus inside and minus outside, then I can write this as 10x minus 6 over minus into 10x minus 6 into 6 plus 10x. So I took the minus outside. So if I will redistribute now the minus again to the first term, the result will be 6 minus 10x. Now if I compare this term and the term up, I will notice that they are the same. This term and this term are the same. So I can cancel both of them. And what I will have up is 1 left divided by minus into 6 plus 10x, or I can write it as minus 1 divided by 6 plus 10x. We forgot to write the excluded values. So from this calculation, the excluded values are 3 over 5 and minus 3 over 5.